Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Ron again from Wahpinas.com, and we're doing a quick unboxing of something we bought from Lazada yesterday. It was a 12.12 nila. No? I bought the RedMi. Ano yan? Tingnan natin mamaya. RedMi ang binili ko, no? From Xiaomi. Okay, so yun na. Napansin ko, no, if you order phones from Lazada, it usually gets to you the next day. Hindi maganda yung pagka-package nga lang. No, see? So, pangit yung pag hindi inayos yung pagka-silman lang nung bubble tape compared to the last one that we ordered. Maganda yung pagkabalos, ano. So, anyway, I think it's still a brand new unit. It's still sealed. Okay. So we ordered the RedMi 6A from Lazada. Okay. It's a 5.45-inch phone, 3,000 milliamperes battery, 13 megapixel na camera daw no, with PDAF. Okay, so I'm just gonna open my Lazada app para makita ko kung magkano. This was on part of the flash sale yesterday. So we were able to get it for, the price was 4,490. Okay. So less than 5,000. 4 or 5 lang siya. Okay. So we're opening it now. So kita nyo sealed. I also bought this knife from Lazada before. So it's a global version ng RedMi 6A. I'm using the, if you might notice the video quality might be different, I'm not sure. I'm using the Realme C1 right now for the video. So as you can see, 5.45 HD display, 18:9 full screen display, quad core processor, okay, and it's a 3,000 milliampere battery. Okay, it comes with power, the cable, okay, the wall mount, and it has a pin na medyo mahirap kunin nasa ilalim. Okay, so the power button and the volume button is on the right side pareho. The color that I got is blue. Okay, yan natin yung ano niya. Okay. As far as you know, they have 3 colors: blue, black, and gold. Okay. So we'll power it on. See, it's turning on right now. Okay. Dali na natin yung mga sticker niya. You know, so it's already on. English, US, Philippines, no PQR. Philippines. Okay. Next. That phone is the Poco Fold one. So wala siyang SIM card. We'll open it right now so that you see the SIM card. Okay. SIM card slot. Okay. Bakit dalawa? Okay. Looks like they have 2 ports. I don't know why. We'll make tusok both. Okay. This is for a SIM card. And another SIM tray. Okay. So I get it. What the Xiaomi Redmi 6A has is 2 separate SIM trays. Okay, so one SIM tray has the nano SIM card and the micro SD, and another one for a separate SD card. Okay, So medyo nalilito si C1, ano, ganun ang ganun yung camera niya. I don't know why. Okay. So let's put it back. This is a dual cam lang, in a sense na dalawang camera, isang front, isang back. Okay, hindi siya membro po ng kulto ngayon ng mga sandamakmak na kamerang phones. Okay. It only has one rear camera and one front camera. Okay. Diba, kasi ang trend ngayon, paramihan ng camera. Diba? Sino yung naglabas ng si Huawei P20 Pro ba yun? Nakatatlong camera. Tapos yung chismis, may isang maglalabas ng 4. Okay. So, it's asking for SIM card. Wala akong lalagay. So, it's turning on. Wala po siyang fingerprint scanner. Okay. Okay. Pattern. Okay, yeah, I got it. Yeah. So, it's 5.45 inch, 1440 by 720 pixels. It's using a Helio A22 quad-core 2.0 GHz chipset. It's running on Android 8.1. Okay. It has 2 GB of RAM. Okay, so I'm complete. Nilagyan ko kasi ng pattern, so that's why. And 16 GB of ROM. The back camera is 13 megapixels. The front is 5 megapixels. 3000 milliamperes battery. It has gravity sensor, ambient light sensor, distance sensors, e-compact accelerator. So it's loading the apps. So magaan siya, no? It's slightly smaller than the C1 kasi this is 5.45. The C1 is 6.2, no? Here. The C1 and ano kasi is exactly the same. Poco phone ko, same size. So yan po yung difference in size. Let's see. Okay. It's still loading the app, so let's wait a little while. We're back. Ayan, tanggalin na din natin. Okay, so nakalagay din pala, it's there in the back. It says 2 different SIM trays. Okay. Remove that now. We don't need that. Okay. So we'll open the settings. Okay. Storage. So you have an available of 8.77 GB left out of the 16 GB that you have. System is using 5.56. Okay. Camera. Yes. So there's the camera. Okay. Ayan, meron siyang settings, settings button, which I can find sa RedMi C1. Okay. So front, it's only 5 megapixels in front. I think wala din siyang Bluetooth. Depth effect, okay. Style. So wala yatang beauty effect, so which is good because I don't like the beauty 5. So that's the quick unboxing for the Xiaomi Redmi 6A. So now I have 3 phones that are almost in the same phone. Blue lahat siya. Okay. So thanks guys for watching. Bye!